Hi kindergarten. So one of your activities this week on your learning plan is to rainbow write your sight words. So you can rainbow write sight words on a piece of paper, or I put the option for you to rainbow write your sight words on Seesaw and then you can share it with your teacher. So I wanted to do a quick tutorial video on how you can use the drawing feature on Seesaw to rainbow write your sight words. So when you open up Seesaw, whenever you're ready to add something new, remember we always go to the plus sign, we're going to click it, and we're going to post student work, and this will bring up your options of things that you can choose to do. So since we're going to be writing, we're going to click on the pencil that says drawing. That's our drawing tool, and then it will pop up this screen. So now I am ready to rainbow write my first sight word, and my first sight word this week is the sight word help. So I'm going to start with the color red, H, E, L, P, and I'm going to do orange. Now Miss Allinger is using a trackpad as she is writing these sight words, so my writing isn't as good as it could be, but you're going to be using your fingers, so I know that you can be a little bit better with your tracing than I'm doing right now. So then I do yellow, then we do green, then blue, and Miss Allinger's favorite color, purple. Okay, so I just finished rainbow writing my first sight word, which is the sight word help. Now, down here you see there's an option to add a page, but we don't have that feature available to us. So once you've written your first sight word, then you're going to go to the green check. You click on the green check, and then my screen looks a little bit different than what yours looks like since I'm the teacher, but once you hit that green check, it will submit it to your teacher, and then we can view it. Now, since you do have another sight word to do, then you're just going to go back to the home screen and do the same process that we did for the sight word help. So we can't wait to see your Seesaw post of your rainbow writing.